Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on Honor Magic V2. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside locate accessibility features and move to shortcuts and gestures. First one is Google Assistant, and here you can wake up your Google Assistant by holding a power button for 1 second. If you want to power off your device, hold it for 3 seconds. Next one will be the Quick Launch, and here you can turn on or off torch or turn it off. That means it will disable this function. But if you lock your screen and you have a torch enabled, then you should be able to double press on the volume down key and it will activate or deactivate the torch. Next one is screenshot and global features. And here, first method for the screenshot is to use a knuckle, so double knock on your phone screen and it should make a screenshot. Next one is a partial screenshot. That means you need to knock once and then start drawing on your phone to make a partial screenshot of exactly what you've drawn. Then there's a scroll shot, knock once and draw S, and it will capture the entire screen with the screenshot. Next one is 3 fingers screenshot, so you can swipe down your 3 fingers from top of the screen and it will make that a screenshot. And here you can switch between global features. That means you can also access global features by swiping your 3 fingers down from top of the screen or either pick the screenshot. And last is 3-finger global features that I've mentioned previously. Now let's go back and move to record screen. Here you can use your double knuckles, knock onto the screen and it will start a screen recording with that gesture. Next is wake screen, and here you can enable raise to wake and double tap to wake. Raise to wake works like this, so you can turn off your phone, lock the screen and then pick it up in a grip and it should wake up the screen without touching any buttons. Next one was the double tap, so again lock your screen, double tap onto it and it will wake up the same way. Next is mute ringtone or reduce volume, and here you can activate flip to mute ringtone or raise to reduce volume. Flip to mute ringtone works like this, so you can put your screen to the table or just perform something like this and it will mute the ringtone if you receive a phone call, and raise to reduce volume will reduce volume of that ringtone if you pick up your phone from the table while receiving a call. Then last one is answer the calls, and you can automatically answer the calls by lifting your phone to your ear. And that would be all of the gestures and motions available on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.